Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking what your guitar and signal chain need. Identify pickups and whether you have any active electronics, because that changes gain staging. Once done, set all EQ knobs to neutral, put amp and pedals at unity, and lower master volume so boosts don't clip. Next, engage the equalizer and select a flat preset or neutral band. Begin with wide Q settings and small boosts around the target frequency, so you can hear change without wrecking tone. You now focus on the meat of the sound. Sweep the midrange between 500 Hz and 2500 Hz to find any boxiness or hollowness, and when you find a problem frequency, cut a little with a narrower Q. Conversely, use a wider Q and gentle boost to add body. Once you've tamed the mids, raise or lower treble around 3 to 8 kHz for presence, and add very slight air at 10 to 12 kHz if needed. Listening at playing volume. You finish by testing the EQ in context. Play with a drummer, bassist, or a backing track and listen for how your guitar sits. Apply a gentle high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to clear low-end mud, and make small final tweaks to mids and presence so your part remains audible without dominating. If you hear persistent harshness or unwanted noise, lower preamp gain, check cables and pedals, and bypass the EQ to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.